Today I am reviewing the DOOGEE U13 Android 16 tablet 13 inches. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a tablet that delivers an impressive balance of performance, style, and smart functionality, the DOOGEE U13 Android 16 tablet is one of the most exciting options available right now. This 13-inch powerhouse brings together next-generation software, premium design, and dependable hardware, making it a truly versatile device for entertainment, study, or work. From the moment you pick it up, the DOOGEE U13 makes a strong impression. It has a beautifully slim 7.5mm metal body that feels sturdy yet elegant in the hand. The design is sleek and refined, with clean lines and a premium metallic finish that gives it the look of a high-end device. Despite its large 13-inch display, it's surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to carry and comfortable to hold whether you're watching a movie, browsing the web, or working on the go. At the heart of this tablet lies the latest Android 16 operating system, which brings smoother performance, better security, and a more personalized experience compared to previous versions. It's powered by the Gemini AI engine, which intelligently optimizes background tasks, speeds up app launches, and ensures a fluid user experience throughout the day. Everything just feels faster and smarter. Split-screen multitasking allows you to use two apps at once effortlessly, and improved privacy settings give you better control over your data. Under the hood, the DOOGEE U13 features the Unisoc T7280 Octa-Core processor paired with up to 32 GB of RAM. That's 6 GB of physical memory plus 26 GB of virtual expansion. This combination gives you smooth multitasking and fast app response, even with multiple tabs or apps running simultaneously. You also get 256 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to an incredible 2 TB with a micro SD card. That means there's more than enough space for your favorite movies, games, work files, and photos without worrying about running out of room. The display on this tablet is truly a highlight. The 13-inch Full HD Plus screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels and a 90 Hz refresh rate delivers vibrant colors, crisp details, and buttery smooth motion. It's perfect for watching videos, scrolling through social media, or gaming. With Widevine L1 certification, you can stream Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video in true 1080p HD quality. Adaptive brightness automatically adjusts based on the lighting around you, keeping your eyes comfortable during long viewing sessions. The overall experience feels cinematic and immersive. Battery life is another major strength of the DOOGEE U13. Inside is a massive 11,000 mAh battery that delivers all-day endurance. You can easily enjoy up to 12 hours of video playback, 20 hours of music, or 30 days of standby time. When you do need to recharge, the 18-watt fast charging system quickly powers it back up, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using it. Whether you're on a long trip, attending online classes, or streaming your favorite shows, the U13 keeps up effortlessly. For audio and visuals, DOOGEE has equipped this tablet with a quad-speaker 1217 box system that produces rich, well-balanced sound. The bass is deep, the mids are clean, and the highs are crisp. Whether you're watching a movie or listening to music, you get an immersive experience that rivals dedicated portable speakers. The camera setup includes a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera. The rear camera captures clear, detailed photos that are great for scanning documents or snapping pictures, while the front camera is enhanced with AI optimization for smoother video calls and selfies, even in lower light. Connectivity is another area where the DOOGEE U13 shines. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi for fast and stable internet connections, Bluetooth 5.0 for pairing wireless accessories, and even includes a 3.5mm headphone jack for those who prefer wired audio. It also comes with built-in GPS for accurate navigation and Face ID for quick and secure unlocking. One of its more convenient features is DOOGEE reverse charging, which allows the tablet to act as a power bank to charge your phone or other small devices, a thoughtful touch that adds extra practicality for travel or emergencies. In everyday use, the DOOGEE U13 proves to be extremely versatile. Its large display makes it ideal for students taking online classes, professionals who multitask, or families who want an entertainment device for streaming and gaming. It handles productivity tasks like document editing, presentations, and emails with ease, while also offering plenty of fun for reading, drawing, and watching high-quality content. Its slim metal body and big screen make it suitable for both home and on-the-go use. Overall, the DOOGEE U13 Android 16 tablet is an impressive all-round device that combines intelligent software, strong performance, and exceptional battery life at a price that's hard to beat. You're getting the smoothness of Android 16 with Gemini AI optimization, the efficiency of an octa-core processor, a stunning 90Hz Full HD Plus display, and an ultra-slim premium design that looks as good as it performs. With a large battery, quad speakers, expandable storage up to 2 terabytes, and features like Face ID, GPS, and reverse charging, it's built for convenience and long-lasting value. If you've been searching for a tablet that can handle entertainment, productivity, and daily tasks effortlessly, the DOOGEE U13 is a fantastic choice. It's more than just a tablet. It's a smart companion that adapts to your needs, whether you're working, studying, or relaxing. The combination of design, power, and thoughtful features makes it one of the best large-screen Android tablets available right now, and a strong contender for anyone who wants premium performance without the premium price tag.